In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Webhooks, providing an easy integration that can be done in just 5 minutes. To start this process, first, head over to the Calendly website. Simply open your browser and type in Calendly's URL, which will bring you to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Calendly home or dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your meetings and scheduling options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's crucial for accessing other tools and settings within Calendly. Now, direct your attention to the Integrations option, which can be found under the Integrations and Apps section. This part of the site is essential for connecting Calendly with other tools, such as webhooks. By integrating webhooks, you can automate tasks, streamline workflows, and maximize your scheduling efficiency. With a goal in mind of integrating webhooks, search for the term webhooks within the Integrations section. Here, you will find numerous possibilities for connecting Calendly with various third-party applications. Once webhooks appear in the search results, click on the API and Webhooks option. This will lead you to a page where you can establish a link between Calendly and your desired application using webhooks. It's a straightforward process that may require entering some information from the application you want to connect. Remember, using webhooks is an excellent way to receive specific data whenever an event, like a new appointment, occurs in your Calendly account. Ensure you have a basic understanding of webhooks' setup and functionality, as this will make the integration smoother and more effective. As you navigate through these steps, make sure you tailor the settings to your specific needs. This might involve selecting which events trigger webhooks or determining how notifications are sent. It's all about creating a seamless integration that enhances your scheduling capabilities. Once integrated, webhooks can send real-time data to other software, enabling more dynamic and automated workflows. Congratulations! You've now learned how to connect Calendly to webhooks efficiently. This integration can significantly boost productivity by automating processes that you might have been handling manually. I hope this guide was helpful and allows you to harness the power of webhooks with ease, making your scheduling more dynamic and less time-consuming. If you have any questions or run into issues during the integration process, be sure to check Calendly's support resources or the documentation provided by the third-party application you are connecting to. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!